Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Janitor AI, a network error occurred problem. This usually happens due to the rate limits or connection issues, so let's go step by step. Step 1. Go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure your device is online. Try opening another website if it's slow, restart your Wi-Fi, or switch to a different network. Step 2, just wait it out. This error often means you send too many requests. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. Step 3, you can replace your API key. Go to your Janitor AI account settings and update your OpenAI API key or proxy key. Make sure it's valid and not rate limited. Step 4, you can go ahead and try a VPN. This is completely optional, but sometimes changing your IP address helps if your API is temporarily blocked. Next step is just to clear your browser cache and cookies. Just go to your browser settings, clear browsing data, select cookies and cached files, and hit clear. And then finally, go ahead and contact support if it still doesn't work for you. If none of these steps work, head to the Janitor AI help page or Discord community for assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Janitor AI network error. We hope you find this video useful. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.